Digital Business Marketing Apprenticeship, March 2025. Yes, you heard it right. Google India Digital Marketing Apprenticeship for March 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Alive Digital E-Learnings YouTube channel. I am Rohit Dev, Digital Marketing Trainer and CEO, and today we will be diving into the incredible opportunity from one of the biggest name in the tech world, that is Google. We are talking about Google Digital Business Marketing Apprenticeship for March 2025. And trust me, if you're passionate about digital marketing, this is something for you. Will definitely want to stick around. If you're new to channel, make sure to subscribe right away because I'll be soon uploading exciting video about Data Analytics Apprenticeship and Project Management Apprenticeship for March 2025 in India. And if you have been regularly watching my videos but haven't subscribed yet, now this is the perfect time to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget also to click on the bell icon so that you get the notification as soon as new content goes live. Now in this video, we will be a detailed breakdown of the entire apprenticeship program. By the end, you will know everything you need to apply, succeed and build future in digital marketing. Plus, I'll throw a few tips based on my own experience in the field that might be just help you to stand out. So get comfortable, grab a notebook and let's get started. Overview of Google Apprenticeship Program. So, what exactly Google Digital Business Marketing Apprenticeship? Well, this is 24-month program designed specifically for a graduate who are either fresh out or university or have limited experience in the workforce, less than a year, or in digital marketing role post graduation. If you're looking to kickstart your career in digital marketing, this apprenticeship offers a world-class learning opportunity. What's unique about this apprenticeship is this is just not about theoretical learning. Google emphasizes hands-on experience, meaning you will be working with real-life problem solving, challenges and implementing digital marketing strategies in collaboration with experienced professionals at Google. Now, the location for this apprenticeship are spread across 4 major cities in India: Hyderabad, Gurugram, Mumbai and Bangalore. If you're based more than 100 kilometers away from assigned office, Google will even provide relocation assistance. Pretty cool, right? Application process and deadline. Before we dive into specific of what you will be doing in the program, let's cover the application process first. The deadline for this application is October 23, 2024. I repeat, 23rd October 2024 at 11 p.m. IST. So you have got some time, but don't wait too long. Once you apply, the process can take around 18 to 24 weeks. Yes, that's long time, but be patient. Google selection process is tough and they want to make sure they are picking the best fit for this program. During this time, you will have to share your preferred working location from the 4 cities that I have mentioned earlier. It's important to note that this role is not eligible for immigration sponsorship. So make sure you are currently eligible to work in India when you apply. This is paid apprenticeship with the salary ranging from 6 lakhs to 10 lakhs. It may go up to 15 lakhs depending on your skills ability. Initially, participants will attend a boot camp before joining Google's team. Approximately 80% of program focused on the on-job learning at Google, while remaining 20 is dedicated for technical instructions. By end of this video, I'll recommend how you can successfully apply for the March 2025 apprenticeship program and what to expect from the initial round of interviews. Who should apply? So now let's talk about who this apprenticeship is for. First, you need to have completed your university degree, which means you should be a graduate. This program is open to both recent graduate and those who with the 1 year of experience in digital business marketing rule or digital marketing rule. If you got more than a year experience, don't worry. There is plenty of other opportunities at Google which you can check on their website career page. Also having an experience in any industry, whether it's event, media, hospitality, or even customer service is add-on. This is especially useful because digital marketing spans across multiple industry and having varied experience gives you an edge in understanding diverse customer needs. In terms of skills, you should be comfortable in technology, particularly tools like Google Workspace, that's Gmail, Chrome, Docs, Sheets, even Google Ads, and it's so on. If you used similar tool before, that's great too. You also need to able to communicate fluent in English. Google is global company, so being able to collaborate with the teams across the world essentially. What you will be learning. Alright, now let's get into the fun part, what you will be actually learn during the apprenticeship. So Google Digital Business Marketing Apprenticeship structured to provide you with broad understanding of digital marketing and business development. Here is a breakdown. Marketing on digital platforms and apps. You will learn how to create value through digital ads through Google's various ads platform like Google Ads, search ad, PPC, display ad. There is a huge skill set as almost all companies today rely on digital ads to reach their customers on digital platforms. Understanding your audience is key to success in marketing campaign. Google will teach you how to analyze the data and identify specific target users so you can deliver personalized ad. Even retargeting is very important aspect. Business development and sales funnel. You will deep dive into understanding of life of how to lead potential customer move through the funnel from awareness to the conversions. This is crucial concept in sales and marketing. Optimizing digital ad account. This is where things get a bit more technical. You will learn how to understand and optimize ad account to make sure campaigns are running effectively and efficiently. Strategizing and evaluating digital campaigns. Google will walk you through end-to-end campaign management from setting goals and budget to measuring performance and making data-driven adjustment. Running digital marketing agency. I'm sure you must have heard something interesting. Now this is where things gets really interesting for those who wants to eventually run your own business. You will get inside look at what it makes to operate a successful digital marketing agency using Google's expertise and tool. Troubleshooting ad technologies. One of the challenge of working in digital marketing is troubleshooting issues that arise with ad technologies. You will work with cross-functional teams to solve the problems for real client. Generate AI in digital marketing. One of the most exciting part in the program that you will be get to work with the AI based solution for digital marketing. Generative AI is revolutionizing the way we approach the marketing and getting hands-on experience with the technology invaluable. Add product certification. Finally, you will have a chance to get the certification in Google's leading ad products. They'll not only create the way you build your skill, but also boost your resume with industry recognized credentials. Career opportunity after the apprenticeship. This is very interesting. Many of the apprentices has been asked this question, what should we do after apprenticeship? So whether you can be apprenticeship take you, let's talk about some of the potential career path you can explore after completing this program. Graduate of Google Digital Business Marketing Apprenticeship often pursue roles like ad product specialist, account manager, digital marketing business development associate, digital marketing specialist, digital marketing head, SEO analyst, digital marketing manager, and list is go on. These roles are high in demand, and having Google on your resume will definitely give you leg up when you apply for positions in any company. A personal tips to stand out in application process. Now I'll cover what the apprenticeship is all about. Let me give you few tips how you to stand out during the application process. Tailor your resume, cover and letter. Make sure you highlight your relevant experience even if you have from different industry. Emphasize your digital marketing skills, especially any experience with ad platforms or data analytics. Be clear about your motivation. Google values application who have a genuine interest in digital marketing. In your application, be sure to communicate with your passionate about this field. Prepare for interview. If you make it to interview stage, be ready to talk about specific project where you have used marketing strategies, practice discussion you have worked with, and teams to solve the problems, which is big part of this rule. Showcase your problem solving analytics. Google loves people who are proactive and can think critically. Be prepared to share examples where you have faced challenges and how you can overcome them. Stay patient. Remember, the selection process can take several months. Use this time to continue learning and redefining your skills so you have even more prepared when you called for the interviews. And just a tip, keep watching my videos. Practical execution for applying apprenticeship program. Now let's take closer look how you can apply for digital marketing apprenticeship program. Being by search on Google. So go to Google and search for Google India Apprenticeship Program. Click on the link which is https colon build your future dot with google.com hyphen apprenticeships. Next, select on digital marketing apprenticeship option. Now on the left you will find digital business marketing apprenticeship March 2025 start. Once you click on the apply, you need to create a profile by entering your name, email ID and contact number. Upload your resume. Here you can submit your application along with your CV and cover letter. After Google team review your applications and CV, you will receive an email about the next round, which will include the aptitude test. If you pass the aptitude test, you will be need to schedule a telephonic interview on Google's team. They will ask about few questions like preferred location, whether you're comfortable with learning and earning models, whether the salary package is comfortable, and go on. The final round of interview will take place in Google India office and will be face-to-face meeting with the Google team. Conclusion and call to action. So if there you have it, an in-depth look at the Google Digital Business Marketing Apprenticeship for 2025, this program offers unparalleled opportunity to learn from the best industry and kickstart your career in digital marketing. If you are ready to apply, make sure to get your application before the deadline, that is 23rd October 2024. The link to apply is in the description below, so don't forget, check it out. And of course, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit on the bell icon, and never miss an update from Alive Digital e-learnings. If you want to learn more about digital marketing, then you can go for our paid course, and see you soon in the next video. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your application. Signing off, Rohit Dev, your digital marketing trainer. Thank you.